Hey you guys, welcome back to week 4 of the New Orleans Voodoo Tarot ERZULIE Love or Union reading. Yes, this is week 4. We are rolling out into 7. That's where we will end the series at this particular moment and roll on with something new and invigorous straight along with the New Orleans Voodoo Tarot deck deal. So like I said, in this particular reading, we will pull 5 cards that will resonate with the individual who is in search for love, who is looking for love in a friendship, who is looking for a union within themselves, within a relationship, within the friendship. There's all types of formalities of union and relationships that are within and outside of us, or like I said, with the love reading as well, we can combine that with a love, with a heartfelt relationship as well. If you have any questions or if you want a reading, please look into the description below or check out my website. At this moment, let's go ahead and shuffle through the cards. And here we go with the current energy. Here we go with, boom, the past energy, the influence of the future energy, the influences of the invisible, the influences of the non-visible. Lovely. Once again, beautiful card, nice energies as always, and I'll check back in 1 second and we'll get to it. All right, welcome back, guys. Let me give you an overview of the layout. We have the current, the past, we have the future, we have the influences of the visible, the influences of the non-visible, and that is our 5-card layout here. And now we can be gone as I get the camera back up. Okay, so what we have here in our current energy, we have 6 of Cups, which this is Shi-Li-Bo, Nouvavou, Dani. Here, this card tells me, hopefully you have a really good view on here. This card here is telling me that this individual in the current tense here, the energy that they are residing within themselves is a solar strength energy. As you can see, she is engulfed in confidence by that solar energy. This particular person right here has mastered her emotions over time. He or she has mastered emotions that were either tempered or just like a form of experience where they have mastered their emotions through like trial and error. This person has definitely right now in the embodiment of confidence. So this is their current energy right now. 6 of Cups, Shi-Li-Bo, Nouvavou, Dani. In our past energy, we have the number 17 in the major arcana, TOLIE. The star was born in their past energy. This person found their path. They have found their enlightened path. Not only that, their path is clear. Their path is clear. They came to terms maybe like with their fate. Therefore, their space is clear. No wonder. Therefore, they have a clear idea, goals set forth that they put set in stone in the past. This person, their future energy, this is good. This is a good reading. So this person in their future energy is 10 OCHOSI. He's a SANTERIA. There we go. So this person in their future energy has an abundance of either wealth, creation. They are sitting with lots of possessions and creations, which is plentiful in the future. Okay? Therefore, as you can see, the arrows being shot up in the sky, this person has an abundance of material possessions, creations, creativity that needs to be utilized in one way or the other. Because if not, all those creations will become spoiled. So this is the future. The future is bright because you have plenty, okay, in this earthly realm. The influences in the visible here, we have LOCO. Okay, he's a 4 in the major arcana. This tells me this person is protected in the spiritual forces, because this is the major arcana. And because it's telling me it's occurring in the visible, this is telling me that this person has strength and power, nobility. They're protected by spiritual forces. This reminds me of the last other couple of readings where Ogun was very much prominent. But here is a major occurrence that is occurring where a person is spiritually protected. So again, what we have in the non-visible, we have 3 of CONGO. MANMAN, BRIGITTE. Again, we had this card before in the last reading. Okay, hopefully you can see it and the reflection isn't too bright. This card here tells me that this person, Judgment, is good within their emotional sense. Their judgment is good. Whatever they are seeking that has fallen place in the beginning, it is proper, good judgment. This tells me this could be a judgment of your emotions within your environment or with an individual. I know I'm tired of these cards not really shining or showing here. There we go. So this person's judgment, as you can see with their emotions, which is being said to me right now, is that they are on top of their game with their emotions. They are clear-headed. This reading could be for someone who has a union, is what I can see with their emotions and with their physical sense. Here it tells me that over a period of time, they have built confidence through their emotions. The emotions can take you far, especially when you're confident and when they're balanced, good, and when it's empowered. Strength and power, confidence, right now, currently, right now. And then when it tells me the future is whole, and the future has very good outcome only with you putting the energy out there, not sitting on, say to speak, your creations, not sitting on wanting to date, wanting to seek love, waiting for somebody to come. This is telling you to shoot your shot because you have so much accumulation of talents. But not only that, because your talents, your emotions are in good standing judgment. This particular individual, if it's love, go forth and do it, because it's not going to come to you. Everything on this board here is telling you you're protected spiritually. You're protected physically because you have an abundance of creations of talents. You have become another whole being and found a clearer path. Yes, I've used this card and abused it. Look, it has wrinkles in it. Okay? This is what this reading is telling me. This person is emotionally balanced. They have put in the time and energy with experience through life. No matter what in life, you're going to have to experience ups and downs, high and lows. But when it all comes down to your journey in life, it is a realization of how those highs and lows affected you. Because a high can be good or bad, and it can affect you in a negative way. A low could be good and affected you, you know, in the opposite way. Hopefully that makes sense. So this union here tells me that the person needs to go forth and shoot their shot within a relationship, or a person is emotionally and physically unified by their emotions. Maybe they're like wanting to be more physical and active in their life. In order for them to get to that point, they needed to have their emotions together. They need to clear their space in their head, so now they can go out there and be active. So all together, being active, being proactive, because you're protected, you have lots of talents, therefore you need to go out there and utilize them before everything spoils. Okay, get out there and shoot your shot. This is your future energy. If you would like a further reading, if you want any other questions or further readings, please check the description below, and I'll see you guys on the next reading. Peace.